there are ancillary businesses that we depend on sometimes to run our business, like the laundry service. We've got a towel that we have to put on the edge of the tank so that they get salt in their eye, they can clean the salt out of their eye, and then there's another towel for when they have showered. Do you use an outside service or do you do that in-house?
Yeah, we from the very get-go, we decided to use a laundry service for all kinds of reasons, but almost all of them about money. Having the right kind of equipment that was quiet enough and could do 50, 60 towels a day, that was going to be a very expensive investment, plus an employee that's constantly doing laundry, plus buying all the linens in the first place was going to be astronomical. We go through about 2,000 towels a month, including face towels and shop towels for cleaning and everything. And using a service has been great. We only have to keep one linen closet stocked. They come twice a week, haul off all the dirties, and what we didn't anticipate was the churn of towels and how quickly they get damaged, or especially with makeup, mascara can really destroy your nice white fluffy towel. So because of the volume that we were doing and because we didn't have all the space and staff and storage for our own linen, laundry service was the way to go.
Would you recommend a towel other than white?
That's a really, I think, one that's a style question. Part of the reason we went with the white towels is, one, it's easy to get white towels from a laundry service, but also, you know, cleanliness and sanitation is a huge concern for people experimenting with floating. And so everything we can do to show that it's the cleanest and the freshest and the brightest and all that makes a big difference. And so when they see these fluffy white towels when they walk in the door, and they dry off with them after a sensory deprived experience, and they smell a light detergent and nothing else, that's all part of the float experience. Ideally, we'd use a taupe colored towel, something sort of already dingy, but then that's going to give the wrong kind of look, I think.